काले कपड़े पहने हुए सभी सांसद जो है वो आज तिरंगा मार्च कर रहे हैं लगातार जेपीसी को मांग करने।
That's right. I think this entire session's been a washout. Shockingly, it began with the ruling party actually saying that the parliament should not be allowed to function, with the resumption of the budget session for the first couple of weeks disrupted by the treasury benches, which has never happened in the history of our parliament. Thereafter, with Rahul Gandhi's disqualification, the opposition also rose. The net result is we've had no debate, no discussion, no progress. We've had a situation where 45 lakh crores of taxpayers' money has been approved on the finance bill without a single minute's discussion. This is not the way parliamentary democracy is supposed to function. And therefore, the objective here has been to show the flag, literally, and to say, let's protect and safeguard our democracy. The future of our country depends on it. Thank you.
अडानी के महाघोटाले पे जेपीसी की मांग करते रहे, बावजूद इसके आपने देखा कि ये सरकार जो सर से पांव तक भ्रष्टाचार में डूबी हुई है, वो जेपीसी बनाने के लिए तैयार नहीं। अभी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन क्लब में सारे
No, you can witness. Today also only treasury benches is making slogans, not our. They don't want to have a parliament.